Blimey! It's the grey catbeard, the Dumptella carolinus. What a catch! Note the glistening grey coat on nearly all its luscious body frame. Marvellous! You know, the grey catbeard is actually a member of the mockingbird family, and Great Scott! It's the yellow-bellied sapsucker! What a specimen! I've been chasing this little for almost 30 years now. Note the red forehead crown, the disjunct populations found in high elevations, and the serious danger they pose to nearly 250 species of woody plants and trees with their feeding habits. What a specimen! What a specimen! Good heavens! It's the great Indian bustard! How is this even possible? There are only 250 of these left on the planet. This is the greatest day of... No!